review, just wanted to talk about this Honda powered pressure cleaning system, pressure washer. Come in, let's talk about the key features. Check out the size of the Comet pump with a brass head. We have an oil sight gauge on the top and a pressure gauge showing the pressure on this particular site. Manual unloader valve, which can be adjusted, and a chemical soap injector in relation to the soaps and surfactants that you may like to put on those hard and soft surfaces. So this particular system is powered by the Honda GX200, a true Honda. It runs at 2700 PSI at 11.3 litres per minute, and it comes in at 35 kilos. So it's not a toy. It is a particular system that will suit your pressure cleaning business, or as a dedicated homeowner that wants to step above those entry-level machines, this particular system may suit you. Comes with a standard single lance with variable tips. This particular tip is standard 15 degrees. So being quick disconnect in relation to 3/8, we can have an amplitude of added extras in regards to accessories. This particular Mosmatic 12-inch surface cleaner is an added accessory, and particular items like this, whether it's foaming lances, dual lances, can all be added to suit the requirements of the operator and its working environment. So let's run you through it. So a 15-degree nozzle on the end of this. Other added accessories could be turbo nozzle in relation to hard agitation for those tough areas. Single lance, dual lance. A particular system like this in relation to not having an external bypass, the machine runs on an internal bypass. So it's very important when using a particular system like this not to let it run for an extended period of time in relation to the recirculation of water and the overheating of the pump. It does have a discharge thermal indicator on the particular brass headed pump. That's 2700 PSI at 11.3 litres a minute. Very, very versatile. In regards to an adjustable bypass unloader valve, we can control the pressure by adjusting that valve. If we had added accessories in relation to dual lances, we could run the machine at max RPM and control the water flow in relation to pressure at the gun or tool end. Just like to show you the added accessories of a 12-inch surface cleaner for doing flat work. So if you're going to do concrete surfaces, timbers, decks, we can add something like this. We love Mosmatic. They're a fantastic product and will allow you to do an even, consistent clean. That's low pressure. We'll crank the system back up. And you can see we're in a commercial driveway. But if you come in here and have a look at what we're doing, the uniformity of the clean, you'll be able to clean an average driveway quite quickly. So that's the Honda GX200 2765. And just to recap, it's running at 2700 PSI at 11.3 litres a minute. Hose extensions come standard with a 15 metre length of hose. If we need to extend that to reach further, those hard nooks and crannies, we can do that. Appreciate you watching. Any more information on this particular system and other pressure cleaning systems, you can get us at bluetongueindustries.com.au. You can see pricing on our Onyx Systems website at onyxsystems.com.au. Cheers.